welcome to a new English lesson. We are going to be continuing with consonant clusters, and today we are going to look at the clusters for letters S and K and how they are pronounced. Okay? If you're ready, let us begin. As a reminder, please go to our playlist and watch the first video on consonant clusters. Today we are going to be looking at all of these consonant clusters that you see here. How do we pronounce these clusters, these individual letters together? Okay? Let's see some examples. S, K, S, K, Sk. For example, skirt, mask, S, K, S, K, Sk. For example, scones, scale. I put an asterisk here because sometimes when you see S and C in a letter, it will have a different sound, okay? To not confuse you, you look at the word scissors. In this word, this particular word, the S and C here is not pronounced as sk, scissors, or whichever way you want to pronounce it. It is pronounced as an S, okay? That is why I put an asterisk here. Okay, but for today, S and C here, sk is sk. All right? Got it? Let's continue. S, m, s, m, sm. For example, smile, smoothie, s, n, s, n, sn. For example, snail, snowman, s, p, s, p, sp. For example, spade, spanner, s, t, s, t, st. For example, stones, stairs, s, w, s, w, sw. For example, swallow, swim. T, w, t, w, tour. For example, twins, 20. You got it? Great. This is the end of the lesson for today. Do not forget to practice, as practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.